Okay, you've been working hard on your essay. You have your introduction all done with a good hook, background, and thesis. So we got to go back to what's the next part, right? We already talked about those three parts, the intro, the body, the conclusion. Right now we're going to focus on the body of your essay. It is the largest section of your essay. It has as many paragraphs as you have points in your thesis statement. Lots of times it's 3. For the essay we're currently working on, it's 2. Each paragraph has a topic sentence and supporting details. You have to put transition words in to help move us from one idea to another and really make it flow. It tells them why your thesis statement's right. Right? You develop those ideas and give specific support. So if you said the character was annoying, you're going to give support that the character's annoying. That's what happens in the body paragraph. So many times we have talked about using races for writing, right? When we're doing factual writing, restate, answer, cite, explain. So if you're going to take it that way, you're going to use ACE as your body paragraphs, and it's just going to repeat for as many points as you have. So your answer is a topic sentence. You state the point you're trying to prove. The sentences that introduce a paragraph and connect thesis statement. This is where you're going to name whatever first point you said about Mrs. Stevenson for this essay, you're going to name it here, right? And you're going to make sure we know this whole paragraph is about that point. I can't just say something without backing it up. I have to cite evidence. Nothing is true if I don't have proof, right? So you're going to provide support for your thesis. Examples, quotes, whatever you got to get from the text. You're going to have at least one, if not two, hopefully two quotes that are in there. And then you can't just throw quotes in there. You got to explain them. You got to connect them back to the thesis statement and say, this is how this quote proves my topic true. It has to be explained. So when you're filling in your organizer, we're on this section, right? Topic sentence is where you're going to put the A. The evidence is going to go in the C. The explanation is going to go in the E. The topic sentence is based on the point, so it goes in order. So whatever the first thing I said in my F of IVF, of finish a statement, is going to go in my topic sentence here. And then I'm going to give a quote. I'm going to explain the quote. Possibly I'm going to give more than one quote. You repeat this for as many points as you listed in the F section of your IVF of your topic sentence. So when you're looking at the organizer, let's look at an example from a previous student. Try to get myself out of the way here. So I don't need complete sentences here. I'm going to make it sound really good when I write. I'm just getting everything organized, which is why it's called an organizer. So she's imperious, and when does it happen throughout the text? It's not just at the beginning or the end. The whole time this lady's bossy, right? So I just have that there. I'll add words to it and make it sound better when I write my essay. So I got to go to the stage directions and give a quote. So it says write in stage directions, she does something imperiously. I'm going to write that in there, and then an explanation. I'm going to explain what that means. She does it imperiously because she expects people to obey and listen to her. Whatever quote I give on the left, I have to explain on the right. The prompt asks us to do stage directions and dialogue. So in the dialogue, she says, I say the whole thing calls for, and this one she goes on and on about searching the whole city. In my essay, I will type out the entire quote. In my organizer, I just need to give enough so I know which quote I'm using. And then I explain it on the right. She tells the police how to do their job. This is showing that she's imperious and bossy. Real quick, all explained. That's all I need to do to have a strong body paragraph. Go give it a try. Ask for help if you need it.